Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. So we'll be making this criloline fascinator. So I saw this on online, then I decided to make this. So this is the material that we're going to be needing for this DIY. So it's not easy to do. So I'm going to be needing our criloline. So as you can see, I'll be showing you what we need for this project. So look at it. This is the criloline I use. You can use just look at it. You can use this one is the shiny one. Just use the one that is okay for you. So this is the criloline I'm going to be working with. This is the criloline I'm working with. Just look at the criloline. Can you see? Just the shiny one, and it's not that big. So look at it. See, can you see it clearly? So see what I'm doing. So and the next thing we'll be having now is going to be our Alice band. We have different sizes of Alice band. I'll be working with this what I'm holding right now. Yes, I will come with that. We have the tiny one, just depend on what you want. Your scissors, your tape rule, and getting your feathers. So you can use these feathers, or you can use the feathers on the picture. I'm going to show you that feathers too. I was thinking I'm going to use this feather, and I later changed it. And this is my glue gum. For those of you that don't know what is glue gum, that is glue gum and our needle and thread. So this is the feathers used in this video, in this tutorial. That's what they used in that tutorial. So you can spray it to the color of your choice. If not, even I think I know, just leave it like that. You can change it to another color. Just look at it. And so what we'll be doing right now is that I'll start it. You can use any measurement of your choice. Just use any measurement of your choice. What I'm going to be doing now, hope I'm not too fast. I'm going to drop my clothing on the floor, then I'll start folding. Can you see? Just fold like I'm folding a bowl. I'll keep folding. I think I fold it in 8 pieces. You can fold as much as you want, as full as much as you want. So just look at it. I'll keep folding. You fold and fold and fold till you get just look at it. You keep folding. You fold just like you're making a bowl. You fold. Then you're going to use your hand to draw that one back. So can you see? You start counting. I think I have 3 pieces now. So I'll start counting now. So I'm going to fold again. So it's going to making 4. That's the only. See, can you see? You fold. It doesn't have any measurement. Just fold the way you want it, the way long how you want it. If you want it to be short, you can short it. If you want it to be long, you can long. It just depend on you. So you keep doing that. See what I'm doing? You keep doing that. You keep folding. You fold. Can you see? Can you see? I'll make sure my hand is straight. Just see what I'm doing. If you are joining this, if you are joining House of Maiden for the first time, well, thanks for coming. So don't forget to subscribe, please. That is very important to me. I always like, share, comment on my videos. I have a lot of amazing videos here. So just look at it. If you are beginners, welcome. You can check my previous videos on how to make turban, fascinator. So keep folding, just the way I'm doing. So the last one will be shorter than the upper one. So just see what I'm doing. I will arrange it. I'm going to arrange it. So just see what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. Can you see what I'm doing? I start counting. I think I have 8 pieces, like I said earlier. You can make it 8, you can make it 9, you can make it 10. And if you are making for kids, you can just do it like 3 or 4. It's okay for kids. So you cut that out. I'm going to cut that out. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to secure the center of the criloline. I'm going to secure the center. I'm going to secure the center of the criloline. Just see what I'm doing. So that is my needle and thread. So that's my needle and thread. You can tie. You can use a needle and thread to sew. So can you see what I'm doing? I'm going to tie the center You have to be very careful here. You tie it around, use the thread to tie it round. Just see what I'm doing. After you tie it round, still use your needle and thread to secure that part, because it can later lose. Just look at it. I'm going to use my needle and thread to secure that part. I'm going to sew that part in and out. Just look at this tutorial. It's so easy to do. You can do it yourself. Just look at it. So you keep doing that, in and out, in and out. See what I'm doing? Can you see? Just see what I'm doing. Very, very easy to do. Can you see? So I'm done with that part, and the next thing I'll be doing, I'm going to cover it. So you can use any streaming of your choice. You can use any flower, and just use anything that you feel like using to cover the center. You can design it with stone, with pearl, with bead, just anything you want. And the next thing I'll be doing, like, you can just decide to put it anywhere. You can put it up, you can put it by the side. Just put it where you feel like. Just, can you see? I'm going to use the small size. I'm not going to use the big size. Can you see? And the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using my hot glue. Just drop a hot glue at the back of, just see. Can you see now? Can you see? So I've already covered it. After using my hot glue, I still use that streaming to cover it. So, and the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be putting the feathers to it. So this is the feathers I'm going to be working with. I show you two feathers in the beginning of this video, so I later change it to white. I'm not using the royal blue again. So just see what I'm doing. It's so easy. I just decided to drop that part so you can see what I'm doing. So I'll be seeing you next time on my next video.